Yo, good morning YouTube. I am Richie Kim. Today we're going to be doing another mod, and it's a pretty good one because we're finally lowering the car. I'll let you all know what I have installed later on after it's actually on the car. But yeah, we're going to go to the shop now to get it installed. It's not going to be something that's super aggressive in terms of the drop, but it will make the car look a lot better in my opinion. It'll just make everything look not so gappy, I would say. And once I get on the new wheels and the new suspension, or the wheel spacers as well, it'll look really clean. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Let's go on to the shop. We finally made it. We are over here at 714 Tires in Westminster. I've been coming to these guys for a long time now. They've always been helpful. They're always very communicative, and they always help you out in any way possible. But yeah, we're here to get this thing lowered. So we are actually only going to be lowering the fronts today. The rears sit pretty good, but there is a pretty big gap up in the front. Like, I can fit 4 fingers. Like, look at this, 4 fingers on my hand. So yeah, we're gonna lower this. We're gonna use iBox springs up in the front. They should be dropping about 20 mil. So yeah, we'll see how that goes. But yeah, I mean, look at this. This gap is huge, and this just doesn't look that good. So yeah, this is what the overall side profile looks like right now. Yeah, the gap in the front really doesn't look good. The gap in the back looks pretty good. It's not too much, not too little. Like I said, this is going to be my daily driver, so I don't want something too aggressive, but yeah, we'll see what the fitment looks like after it's done. Car is done. It has officially been lowered, and this gap is definitely smaller. Can't fit 4, it's like 3 of my fingers technically, so it's not that bad. And it's gonna go down a little more as well. Just got to give it about a week or so to fully settle in, come back for another alignment, and then we'll see what the real fitment is like. But yeah, I mean, this fitment looks way better than before. It's almost similar to the rear, maybe not all the way there, but I think after the springs do settle in, it'll look really good, because this should drop a little bit more. Yeah, overall definitely looks way better than before. So yeah, we'll see what it looks like in a week. Man, my car is filthy right now. But yeah, that's pretty much it for today. Just a really quick video. Just want to show you all what the before and after look like for the iBox lowering springs. If you all did want to, do like a safety stance kit for your G80 as well, if you have one, iBox springs, yeah, the drop is very minimal, nothing too aggressive, but it does make it look a lot cleaner. Yeah, that's pretty much it. I'll see you all on the next one.